Calibrating Fortnite to minimize FPS drops can enhance your gaming experience. Follow these steps to optimize your settings and improve performance. Step 1. Check system requirement. Ensure your computer meets or exceeds the minimum system requirements for Fortnite. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage space to ensure optimal performance. Step 2. Update drivers. Regularly update your graphics card drivers to the latest version. Visit the manufacturer's website NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the most recent drivers, which can improve game performance and stability. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Launch Fortnite and navigate to the settings menu. Lower the graphics settings such as resolution, shadows, and effects to reduce the load on your system. Experiment with different settings to find a balance between visual quality and performance. Step 4. Optimize Windows settings. Adjust your Windows settings for better performance. Disable unnecessary background applications, enable game mode, and set your power plan to high performance. This can free up system resources for Fortnite. Step 5. Monitor performance. Use performance monitoring tools to track your FPS and system performance while playing. Tools like MSI Afterburner or the in-game FPS counter can help identify specific areas causing drops, allowing you to make further adjustments as needed. By following these steps, you can effectively calibrate Fortnite to reduce FPS drops and enjoy a smoother gaming experience.